So in the past 20 minutes, my whole life was just flipped upside down. So I'm out with my friends, and we're at Walmart, and all of a sudden my dad calls me. And he is screaming at the top of his lungs for me to get home, and then just hangs up. I couldn't even get a word in, I was so confused. So I call him back because I'm really confused, and all I hear is my dad and my sister screaming at each other, and then the phone hangs up again. So my friend drives me home really quick, and I walk in through the garage because my front door broke, and I'll explain why later. So I go in through the garage, and I'm going through the basement of the house so I can hear everything that's going on upstairs. And my dad is screaming at the top of his lungs at my sister. Like, the screaming was like a married couple finding out that the other person cheated. It was insane. I get to the top of the stairs and I'm like, what's going on? And my dad's up in my